Good morning students. Welcome to 4th G Science class. Today we will start chapter number 3, the digestive and excretory system. Students, you know you have different organ systems in your body and each of them has a specific job to do. But in this lesson we will learn about the digestive system and excretory system. So let's start first the digestive system. Students, the food that you eat cannot be digested or cannot be used directly by your body. It has to be broken down into the smaller and simpler pieces. And the process by which the food is broken down into the smaller pieces, that process is called digestion. And now the food is digested by the digestive system of your body. Digestive system consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The three glands associated with the process of digestion are salivary gland, then liver, then is pancreas. Now the next topic is digestion starts in the mouth. Students, the teeth in the mouth make or break the food into the smaller pieces and your saliva makes the food soft and moist. Students, the saliva contains an enzyme that converts the starchy food into the sugary food. So the tongue in the mouth helps to mix the food, it tastes the food and it pushes the food into the food pipe, and from the food pipe food goes into the stomach. So now the next topic is digestion of proteins in the stomach. Students, stomach is a muscular bag that contains the acid hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid helps in the digestion of proteins in the stomach. Now the next topic is digestion is completed in the small intestine. From the stomach, food goes into the small intestine. Some juices are made in the small intestine, like liver secretes a bile juice that is used to digest the fats in the small intestine. The digested food is absorbed by the blood in the small intestine, and then blood carries the digested food to all parts of the body. Now next is undigested food passes to the large intestine. Students, the undigested food is passed to the large intestine. Water is absorbed from the undigested food. Next topic is solid waste are thrown out of the body through the anus. Students, the solid waste is stored in the rectum and it is thrown out of the body through an opening called anus. Now next is students, the journey of food through the digestive system is about 9 meters long in the human body. Next is healthy eating habits for proper digestion. There are some healthy eating habits for the proper digestion of food. First one is eat a balanced diet. Fast food and junk food do not give your body that it needs. Next is have plenty of water. Eat your meals at the fixed time. If you will not eat your meals at proper time, your stomach may get upset. Next is chew your food properly before swallowing it, because this will make the process of digestion easier. Next is do not play immediately after eating food. Rest a while because your stomach needs oxygen to digest the food. If you will play immediately after eating, the other parts of your body will take away the oxygen. Next is always wash your hands before and after eating meals. Next is include a lot of fiber in your daily diet, because it helps in the removal of waste from the body easy. Next topic is excretory system. Students, your body keeps producing waste and these waste need to be removed from the body as they are toxic for the body. So now the waste from from our body are removed in the form of sweat from the skin, feces from the anus, urine from the kidneys, and carbon dioxide from the lungs. So the waste from the body is removed in the form of urine by the excretory system, and the process is called excretion. Students, the excretory system consists of 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, 1 urinary bladder and an urethra. Students, first of all, the 2 kidneys are bean-shaped structures and urine is formed in the kidneys. The 2 thin tube-like structures called ureters, they carry urine they arise from each kidney and they carry urine from kidneys to the bag-like structure that is called urinary bladder. Then urine is stored in the urinary bladder. After that, urine is removed out of the body through an opening called urethra. So this is all about the working of a urinary system or the excretory system. Now the next is students, urine is a pale yellow liquid that contains harmful products. Next topic is ways to keep your excretory system healthy. The first one is drink more water so that the kidneys will have easier job as the toxin washed away. Next, avoid fast food, junk food or processed food because these foods contain additives and preservatives that your excretory system has to work hard to process. Next is do not hold urine for a long time. Go to the washroom whenever required. So students, this is all about your chapter. Read your chapter thoroughly and write new words on your notebook and solve book exercise on the book and write question answers on the notebook. The answer of first question is define. Both the defines are in the new words on page number 25. Second, the answer of second question is on page number 23. In first paragraph, digestion starts in the mouth. The answer of third question is on page number 23. Second paragraph, digestion of proteins in the stomach. The answer of fourth question is also on page number 23. Third paragraph, digestion is completed in the small intestine. The answer of fifth question is also on page number 23. Healthy eating habits for proper digestion. Next, the answer of sixth question is on page number 24. Ways to keep your excretory system healthy. Answer of seventh question is on page number 24. Excretory system, here the parts of excretory system and their working is there. So get the answer of this question from there. Next, draw a well-labeled diagram of digestive system and excretory system on your notebook and also solve the hard questions on your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.